Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix your Wi-Fi not working on KOBO Elipsa 2E. To do it, first try just disabling and enabling the Wi-Fi, so you can see the Wi-Fi symbol up here at the top. You can disable it. Wait for like 15 up to 20 seconds, then enable it again. And see if you can connect now and if connecting actually works. If it didn't help, then you may need to forget and reconnect to the network. So go to Wi-Fi settings right here. And now you'll need to go to edit Wi-Fi networks. Select the network that you want to, that doesn't work for you. So I'm gonna select this one, I'm gonna click on delete, and then if I go back, I'll see join a Wi-Fi network, click on connect, then select a Wi-Fi network you want to connect to, enter its password, and click on join. Now see if it connects. If it still doesn't, then try restarting your router. And if restarting it doesn't help, you can just unplug it from the power or press and hold on the button on it, on the power button on your router. Wait for some time and turn it back on. If it doesn't help, also restart your KOBO, and to do it, you can simply press and hold on the power button until it says power it off. Then wait for up to half a minute. Let's see if I can power it on now. I don't really know if I can power it on yet. Because you can see there's the light and it has to first go off. Then you need to press on the button and turn it on. But yeah, I was able to turn it on. Now you should try connecting to the Wi-Fi. And if it still didn't work, then try connecting to a different network just for a moment. If you just can either hotspot from your mobile phone or whatever else, then try connecting to it. And if it works, then there may be a problem with your router. But before you try and solve a problem with your router, also test your router with a different device, not KOBO. Yeah, in the KOBO, once you have internet access from your router or a different device, it's worth updating it. So let's go to device information, then update check, and it'll start checking for updates. And you can see my e-reader is up to date, but if yours is not, then update it. It may solve some issues for the future. And I believe that that's basically it. I don't really know if there's like some reset options for Wi-Fi. No, there's no options for reset for Wi-Fi, unfortunately. So if nothing still worked, you may need to reset your device. And to do it, I think you may need to go to device information. Yes, and then go to factory reset your e-reader. Remember that it'll erase all your device, so make sure that you have access to the account that is used here so you can log into it later. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.